How to make a vision board on Canva. Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a vision board on Canva. A vision board is a powerful tool for visualizing your goals and dreams. And Canva makes it easy to create a personalized vision board that inspires and motivates you. Whether you want to manifest your dream career, attract abundance, or simply live a more fulfilling life, a vision board can help you stay focused and aligned with your desires. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a vision board on Canva, from selecting the right template to adding images and text that resonates with your vision. We'll also share some tips and tricks to help you create a board that truly reflects your deepest desires. So if you're ready to turn your dreams into reality and create a powerful visual representation of your goal, this tutorial is for you. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to canva.com. You're simply going to create an account or log in with your account. Now, over here, we're going to search on the search bar of Canva, a vision board. And we're simply going to click on our results over here. And then this will redirect us to the different templates that is focused on a vision board. As you can see, there are many samples over here. You can simply choose any of the template and then you can edit it the way you want and then put in your different images that you have. Now, if you don't want to use any of this template, you can simply choose a template with the size that you like. And for example, we're going to choose this one over here. We're simply going to click on customize this template and then you're going to press Ctrl A and then click on delete. And as you can see, every element that was present earlier is now gone. And then you can use the size of the template that you have chosen for your own vision board. Now, before we start, the first thing you should do is think of things like images that resonates with your goal in life, the way you want to feel or do as your life progresses. You should include things like sayings, quotes, or images that brings you joy to your life. Focus your vision board into your goals in life so that when you look at your vision board, it would remind you of what you need to do and want to do. Now, what we're going to do first is I'm going to go and click on elements over here on the left side, and then I'm going to search for something light. And then we're going to click on our photos over here, and then I could choose any photo over here that I like. For example, this one with a blurred lighting. I'm going to drag it into our canvas over here, just like that. Or we could choose another example. I'm going to choose this one maybe. Just like that. It looks better than earlier. It's more clear. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add images. Vision board is about filling it with images that you want to do, so that when you see it, you are being reminded of your goal. Now, to add photos into our vision board over here, we're going to click on elements. And then we're going to click on elements once again. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to look for this section over here called frames. When you click on see all, you would be able to see the different frames that you could add images into. You could choose any of these options and it is completely up to you. For me, I'm going to choose this option over here. I'm simply going to click this, and then this will appear into our canvas. And then we can simply move it around and position it the way we want. You could also choose other options because there's a lot of options that you can have. Now, if you don't see any of the frames that you like over here, we're simply going to click on frames once again, and then we're going to scroll down and we could click on grids also. We would have more options that are collage style in this section. As you can see over here, you can simply put in your images and then you would be able to use the different layouts that is offered over here. Now, I'm going to go back to this frames over here and then I'm going to choose the frame that I like. I'm going to choose this frame over here. I'm simply going to click this and then this will appear into our vision board. And then I'm going to change its size and then move it around. For example, over here, I'm going to add another one. Make sure it's the same size, just like that. I'm going to try and make 3 of them fit. I'm going to change this so that I could add more. Then I'm going to do this, just like that. And I'm going to make sure it's the same size. And I'm going to select all three of them and then make sure it's in the center. Now I'm going to adjust them once again, just like this. Going to make sure this is the same size as the two of them. Going to adjust them once again, just like that. Now we have a simple collection of frames where we can put in our images. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add images that we have as a goal in life. For example, one of my goals that I want to do in a long time is have a nice vacation, maybe along a beach. So we're going to search in the elements, beach, and then we're going to click on photos. Now we're going to choose any of these photos because they all show a beach. But I'm going to select this one because it looks nice, and we're going to drag it into one of the frame. As you can see, when we zoom in, the photo appears inside one of our frames. Now you can upload your own photo and use your own photo of like maybe a dog or a person, and then you can simply add into Canva by going over here on the uploads and then clicking upload files. Now we're going to continue with what we are working on. Now the next thing I want as a vision is maybe have a library in my home. So we're going to search a library into the elements, and then we're going to select on photos once again, and then we're going to choose any of these elements. I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm simply going to drag it into my vision board. And as you can see, we have two images right now. We could also think about things that we want in life, things that we want to have. For example, I want to have a car. We're going to search for a car, and then we're going to search for photos. And then once again, you're simply going to choose a photo that you like, or if you have a photo of a car that you want to have, you can simply upload that. But for now, we're going to choose this one maybe. Then we're going to drag it into our vision board once again, and just like that. And let's think of one more thing that we can add, maybe a bucket list into our vision board. Maybe, for example, skydiving. Then we're going to click on photos, and we could put any of this photo into our vision board, maybe this one. Although incomplete, this is a sample vision board. Now we're going to add a text so that we know that this is a vision board, and then we're going to look for a font that we like. Now I really like this font over here, so we're going to click this, and then this will appear into our canvas over here. And then I'm going to change the text into vision board, just like that. And then we can make it bigger. We're going to remove the message from the bottom, get longer, just like that. And then we could change the size and change the font color. Going to change the font color to this color maybe. Then we could add more designs by going to elements. Then we're going to search for lines. Then we can click on graphics over here. Then we could choose any of this option. For example, this one. We could use this as a design. We could change the color to black. We can make it bigger, just like that. And then we could make it centered. We could also add another text, and then once again choose a font that we like, for example this one. And then we're going to put in a date as a goal for this vision board. For example, we're going to have this to do as a things I want to do in 2023, just like that. And then we're going to adjust the size just like this, and we could make the alignment center. Then we're going to change the font color to black or brown so we can read it easier. Going to remove this message over here, and just like that. We could adjust our photos a bit higher so we can make things fit, and just like that. You can add more things, maybe a quote, maybe a message from someone, or a message for yourself. You can do anything you want. This is our very simple vision board, guys. You could add more photos if you want. You could fill in your canvas with different photos that you want to have. Just like what we saw in the templates earlier, the content of your vision board is completely up to you. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.